Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the second part of the parabolas. In the first part, we defined the parabola as a set of points that are equidistant from a fixed point called the focus and a line that's called the directrix. And we define the first case when the vertex is 0 and 0. In this case, we are going to speak about the general case. If the vertex is h and k. And we have two types. We have vertical axis of symmetry and we have horizontal axis of symmetry for the parabola. The first case, the standard form of the equation of the parabola with vertex h, k, and vertical axis of symmetry is given by x minus h to power 2 equal to 4p multiplied by y minus k. So this is the standard form of the equation of the parabola that is vertical or has vertical axis of symmetry with vertex h and k. The focus will be given by h and k plus b, and directrix will be y equal to k minus b. Now, if b is greater than 0, then the parabola will be open upward. If b is less than 0, then the parabola opens down. Let's take these two. The first one, we have p is greater than 0, so the parabola is open upward. You can see. Vertex is hk. I'm going up by p units, so we will have the focus point that will be h k plus p, and go down minus b, that will give me the directrix y equal to k minus p. Now, if p is less than 0, then it will be downward. And the focus point given by h k plus p, can see they are the same, whether it is upward or downward is h k plus b. But in the second case, p is less than 0. And directrix will be y equal to k minus p. We are taking the y coordinates of the vertex. The second case, if we have, or second type, if we have horizontal axis of symmetry. The first case, the axis of symmetry is this line. It is the line passing through the focus point and vertex. You can see it is parallel to the y-axis. For the second case, the standard form of the equation of parabola with vertex hk and horizontal axis of symmetry is y minus k to power 2 equal to 4bx minus h. Then we have horizontal axis of symmetry. It means the parabola will be open to the left or open to the right, depending on the b, whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. The focus point will be given by h plus pk, and equation of the directrix of is x equal to h minus b. If b is greater than 0, then we have parabola open to the right. If it is less than 0, the parabola opens to the left. This will be similar to this figure. So the axis of symmetry, this line, horizontal or parallel to the x-axis. If b is greater than 0, it will be open to the right. Focus point is given by h plus bk. Directrix is x equal to h minus p. If b is less than 0, then it will be open to the left. Focus point given by h plus bk, and directrix is x equal to h minus p. And the standard equation is y minus k to power 2 4px minus h. Let's have some examples. In these exercises, we need to find the vertex, focus point, directrix of the parabola, and we need to sketch the graph. In the exercise number 7, we are given x minus 2 to power 2. We have x minus 2 to power 2 equal to 8 y plus 3. So first of all, we need to specify the direction of the axis of symmetry. Is it horizontal or vertical? I have x minus 2 to power 2. If we have x to power 2, then the axis of symmetry is vertical. That is vertical axis of symmetry. We know the standard form for this type of equation is given by x minus h square equal to 4b y minus k. If we compare this to the equation given in the question, we can see that the vertex v is given by h is equal to 2 and k is minus 3. Because this one can be written as y minus minus 3. Just take the opposite of the sign given there in the equation. It is 2 and minus 3. And also we need to find the value of b. We have 8 and 4b. This must be equal. So to find the focus point, we say that a equal to 4b. That will give me p is equal to 2. This is greater than 0, which means the parabola is up. The parabola is given to be or open up. From this one, we can find the focus point. Focus F is given by, it is H, because this is up, it is K plus B. This is H, K plus B, which is equal to 2. And we have minus 3, this is K, plus B plus 2. We will have 2 and minus 1. So the focus point is 2 and minus 1. For the directrix is given by, since it is up, so it is y equal to k minus p. This will give me y equal to k is minus 3. It is the y coordinate of the vertex, minus p is equal to 2. That will be minus 5. So the equation of the directrix, it will be y equal to minus 5. Now we have everything. We can graph the parabola. Vertex is 2 and minus 3. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Have to make it up a little bit. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1 and 2. This is the vertex. 2 and minus 3. And the focus point is 2 and minus 1. This is F. This is B. And the focus point must be inside the parabola. So this is open upward. This is the axis of symmetry. And we have vertex or the directrix is y equal to -5. So this is -4, -5. We'll have this line with the y equal to -5 or the directrix. So this is the equation, or this is the vertex, focus, and directrix of this parabola, y equal to, or x minus 2 all to power 2, a times y minus or plus 3. And another one, question number 8. We have y plus 1 to power 2, 6, x minus 1. Question number 8. Y plus 1 to power 2 equal to 6 times x minus 1. We have y plus 1 to power 2. Since it is y to power 2, this one is horizontal axis of symmetry. Horizontal axis of symmetry. Now the standard form for this equation is y minus k to power 2 equal to 4px minus h. So number 1, vertex is given by the point. It is h and k, so it is 1 and -1. H equal to 1, k equal to -1. Take the opposite of the sign given the equation. Now let's find p. We have 6 equal to 4p. So 6 equal to 4p. This will give me that p equal to 6 over 4, or it is 3 over 2. And this is positive, greater than 0. Means the parabola will be to the right. Now I have B. Let's find the focus point. Focus is given by. Since we have horizontal axis of symmetry, then it is H plus P and K. It is H plus P and K. That will be given by H is equal to 1, so it is 1 plus P is 3 over 2, and K is -1. This will give me 5 over 2 and -1. Let's add 3 over 2 and 1. Combine these two fractions, I will have 5 over 2 and -1. Number 3, the directrix is given by x equal to h minus b. That is 1 minus 3 over 2, I will have -1/2. So the equation of the directrix will be x equal to, so we can write it again, x equal to -1/2. Now we need to sketch the parabola. The vertex is given to be 1 and -1. This is 1 and -1. This is the vertex, which is 1 and -1. And the focus point is 5 over 2 and -1. That's what the focus point. 5 over 2, which is 2.5. This is 2. So this will be the focus point, which is 5 over 2 and minus 1. And as we said before, the focus point must be inside the parabola. Axis of symmetry is horizontal, that passing through the vertex and focus point. Direct is x equal to minus 1/2. This is the equation of this is x equal to minus 1/2. The direct. So this is the sketch for this parabola. We found the vertex, focus point, and equation of the directrix.